Okay guys, so I actually got this stuff a long time ago, but I didn't really have time to make a video on it. But yeah.
Oh, hey guys.
Yeah. I'm Bess here too. So
Just not because I'm not
yeah, so yeah, I got aviator tails, pretty cool and all, but well, it's better than most of the reskins because at least they did his whole top body. And I kind of like this one. Yeah? Yeah, we have. But now, yeah, and all our videos covering updates. But now, what you guys are really here to see, as soon as I said that, I got disconnected because the Wi-Fi is bad down here. So just give it a second. Okay, so we're back.
Yeah, we're back.
That was weird, but I didn't make you guys watch that whole thing because that took a little bit. So now
Yeah.
you can
Still
fly.
here, guys.
Oh.
Don't worry.
But you can fly the tornado. It's pretty cool. Look, you can shoot it and fly it, and it's pretty cool. And
Guys,
yeah,
just in case you don't know who I am, I'm Iron Bat.
yeah, we already said that. But look, you can fly all around. It's pretty cool. Go check out my first video on this update where I actually flew around in the plane.
Yeah, you should.
Like did the mini game.
It was a pretty good one.
Yep. I'm still, so there's going to be no midweek update for Death Egg, but I hope it's next week. But yeah. So, also, you can get to Hilltop if you have the tornado. Actually, you can get to any of the maps if you have the tornado. So, first step, get your power chow. Oh wait,
Guys,
yeah.
don't worry. I'll just be back in a second. If you want to see me play, then
Unequip
let me do
all.
this. I'll be gone for a bit, okay, guys? Okay. Peace.
Well, he's gone, but we're probably gonna stop recording by the time he comes back. Don't tell him that. But
Hey guys, I'm back.
you don't have your device with you, but
Oh yeah, I know. I'm going back. Peace.
okay. So yeah, just fly up. I don't know why I equipped my power chows, but yeah. So actually, I'll just make this quick. I'll go back down to Green Hill. You guys know the drill. I got stronger power chows so that this will be higher. Yeah, that's already a super high jump height.
No, so much no.
We're going to Williams tonight.
I'm recording. Don't worry. Well, this is really hard to launch. And yeah, that was player W. So yeah, launching. Apparently not.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Okay, he's back.
Yeah, I was just going to the place to get my phone, guys. Hey guys, I was here and I am jumping into this video too. Sorry I was late.
So,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was kind of a bummer. I'm going in Roblox, guys.
So do either of you have the tornado?
No.
Nope. Then too bad you can't do the secret Hilltop hack with me. Land, land, land. We landed it, boys.
Oh, no, 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 no. Roblox, sorry, guys. Yeah.
Okay, so this should be high enough. So,
Guys,
if you go to mounts,
why did you say hey, guys? I don't know.
so can we locate it?
W. So, guys, we got a big sponsor.
We don't have any sponsor.
Click here. Say them.
No, we're not sponsored. What are you even talking about?
Oh, well, still. Have you guys ever heard of Cookie Kingdom? And there's also Oven Break, but it's a really fun series of games.
You know we're not advertising it.
Guys, we're not advertising for that right now. We might do it in an upcoming video, okay? And right now
I don't want to get copyright strike, so I'm not going to make a video on the Disney cookies.
Okay. We're not gonna make
But
it
yeah,
on Disney.
so I'll get back to you guys when I reach Hilltop.
One eternity later.